Students, today's our topic is types of culture. Culture means whenever we grow X plant into culture media. This is X plant. We put it or dip it into the culture media. This is culture media. Then it starts division and it converts into plantlet. Then this plantlet is grown in the greenhouse or a nursery. So, in the form of X plant, which structure is used, that is the type of culture. Just see first callus culture means whenever we took X plant in the form of undifferentiated cells, then it is called callus culture. As said earlier, for callus culture any part of the plant can be used as X plant. In this type of culture, plant cell undergo an uncontrolled division and produce undifferentiated mass of cells called callus. By the use of aquatic amount of growth regulators and combination of auxin, cytokinin, a callus can be induced to the produce root, shoot, embryoids and complete plantlets. Callus culture is of two types, organogenesis and somatic embryogenesis. Whenever we want to obtain a particular organ by the method of culture, then it is called organogenesis, and it is also divided into two parts. First rhizogenesis and second is coelogenesis. When we obtain root from callus, then it is called rhizogenesis, and whenever we want to reproduce a shoot, then it is called coelogenesis, means which organ we want to obtain by culture media. The development of plant organs such as root, shoot from the group of cell of callus is called organogenesis. Development of root from callus is called rhizogenesis, and development of shoot is called coelogenesis. The development of root and shoot depend upon the auxin and cytokinin ratio, physical state of culture media, its chemical composition and nature of X plant. Usually process of rhizogenesis is done by high ratio of auxin is to cytokinin, and coelogenesis is low ratio. Next type is somatic embryogenesis. This method is discovered by Reinert and Stewart. When the embryo is derived from the cell of vegetative tissue, then this process of embryogenesis is known as somatic embryogenesis. The somatic embryo may be haploid or diploid. The haploid or diploid condition of an embryo is depend on the nature of cells from which it is developed. First of all the somatic embryogenesis process was demonstrated by Reinert and Stewart in 1958 when they cultured the somatic embryo obtained from the callus of carrot or Ducus carota and suspension culture. Next, organ culture. Whenever we took as X plant any organ such as root, ovary, etc., then it is cultured on culture media to develop the whole plant is called organ culture. Next, embryo culture. This is not a method of culture, actually this is the method of embryo resource, means culture of immature, completely mature embryo plant is called embryo culture. Embryo culture is used for development of immature embryo, growth of mature embryo, including it for germination. Immature embryo culture is also known as embryo recess. Embryo recess technique used for recess of less developed embryo formed by remote hybridization, form which rare fertile plant can be developed. Next, anther and pollen grain culture. Whenever we want to obtain a haploid plant, then this technique is useful. Means first of all Shimakura has done, one of the scientists Shimakura done this process. This is they are the Japanese scientists. In vitro culture, and they grow haploid plant. After that, Indian scientists Shipra Guha Mukherjee and Satish Chandra Mukherjee obtained the haploid plant successfully from the culture of anther and pollen grain of datura plants. The technique obtaining a haploid plant is used obtaining pure line in plant reproduction. Maximum number of haploid plants have been developed in Solanaceae family. So this is one mark question. Maximum plants of Solanaceae family has been obtained by this technique. Next, cell suspension culture. Culture of cells in a liquid medium. Culture of cells in a liquid medium is called suspension culture. Suspension culture is used in synthesis and production of bioactive molecule and secondary metabolic commercial level. Isolated or single plant cell are usually cultured on accurate liquid culture media. Culture are kept on rotting, steering, or keep the cells separate and maintain the oxygen supply in the culture media. Means what is cell suspension culture? Whenever cell are cultured in a liquid media, and by this process mostly we get bioactive products or biomolecules or secondary metabolite substances are obtained by this technique. And last, protoplast culture. In this process of protoplast culture, first of all, sterilize the selected explant. As in all medium we can sterilize the explant, and then after treated with cellulase, hemicellulase, pectinase to remove the cell wall of cell, and then after these cell wall less plant cells which are called protoplast are first cultured in liquid culture and media, and then after on semi solid medium for developing plant organogenesis. Somatic embryogenesis protoplast culture method is used for hybrid production. Okay, these are the types of culture. Thank you.